Gor Mahia. For Gor Mahia, they have a quest, they have a mission. They will try as much as possible to see if they will be able to go all out and get that important victory against APR of Rwanda in their second leg. Remember, they went away, they lost that tie, they will be playing at home, and for them it's simple. They're saying, we know what we expected to do, and it is go out there and get a victory. The question is, will it happen? It is a game that will kick off at 4 o'clock this time today. Jeff Mugiria has been following up in what exactly is happening in the Gor Mahia's outfit. Jeff, is it a tie that Gor Mahia will be able to win?
After losing to APR Rwanda away in Nyamirambo Stadium, Kigali, Rwanda, Kogalo are back in Nairobi, gearing up for today's clash to set up the tempo for the second round of the preliminary qualifiers.
Cha muhimu ni tulipata goli kule kwao, na kupata goli kule kwao inatuonyesha tukuja hapa, tukianza hapa kesho, then kama tunaweza funga, cha muhimu ni kufunga na wale wasifunge, then tutakuwa tunafuzu. Na hiyo ndio kitu tunaangalia sana. Vijana spirit iko juu, na kitu najua ni watakuwa wanajituma sana kesho ili tuweze tupate hiyo ushindi.
Owing to COVID-19 restrictions, fans will not be allowed in this stadium. Financial constraints have put Gor Mahia in a very difficult situation. The management is fighting hard to ensure that the team is together to win and proceed to the Champions League group stages.
Kucheza home haikui guaranteed kuwa tutashinda mechi ya kesho. Ni lazima tuweke bidii na to believe kuwa tunaweza tukana ushindi.
If there is any match that we want to win, it is the tomorrow match. So I think when it comes to how prepared we are mentally, we are physically ready for the tomorrow match. And it is just our wish the result will be positive.
Gor Mahia has been in the CAF Confederations games for the last 4 seasons. They have never made it to the Champions League group stages. But with the new changes set to be made tomorrow in the second leg squad, Gor Mahia is hopeful of winning here and proceeding for the first time.
Unapata ule walo wa kukua, alikuwa na timu changa National Team Harambee Stars, so uzuri amekuja jana, so yeye ndio kidogo nafikiri atakuwa anatuongezea ile nguvu pale mbele, but otherwise nafikiri zingine tutakuwa tunabadilisha sana.
Tumecheza Confederation mara 2, na pia this year tungependa sana Gor Mahia icheze Champions League na katika tournament yenye kuna vilabu kubwa Afrika.
Gor Mahia's campaign to the CAF Champions League group stages ended last year with a loss both home and away to USM Alger. But this time round, a defeat to APR Rwanda in Nyayo will be disastrous to the Gor Mahia squad and the entire family of Gor Mahia.
An optimistic Pamzo there, and also a very, very determined Kenneth Muguna. The question is if they will have what it takes to get that important maximum points. Remember, as you've heard, they only need a 1-0 draw, but if they score 5, then the fans will be